Today we're going to read words that have the suffix ly. Ly is a suffix added to the end of words. A suffix is a syllable that you add to the end of a word that will change its meaning and form a new word. The suffix ly often means in a certain way. So if we made the word sadly, that would be the way somebody did something. He did it sadly, in a certain way. Sadly, sadly. That's how we break up this word. Okay, let's decode this word. Ready? We have two vowels. We know that ly is the suffix, so it automatically comes off together. Then we read our root word plus our suffix. Ready? Sadly. Do it again. Sadly. Sadly. He sadly read the poem. Good. Okay, now let's read this ly word. We know that ly is a suffix, so we're going to separate it from the root word and we're going to break it apart there. Now we can sound out our word. Madly. 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 He threw the ball madly, or he madly threw the ball. Good. This looks like a hard word, but it's not. Let's just read it in steps. Take the suffix and break it apart. And now we look at our root word. We can see that it is a magic E or silent E word where the E doesn't make a sound, but it makes A say his sound. So we know this letter says A. And now we can sound out the word. Lately. Let's do it again. Lately. Now let's read it fast. Lately. Lately. She's been late a lot lately. Exactly. Okay, here's another big word. Remember to take off your suffix to make it easier to read. This is another magic E, silent E vowel team, where the A says his name, A, and the E is silent. Let's sound it out. Safely. Sound it out again. Safely. Say it fast. Safely. Safely. We made it home safely. Good job reading words with the suffix ly.